In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by posting simple quiz. Or you can make money from CPA marketing. This is the best strategy to make money on CPA marketing. If you are completely beginners and you don't have any money to start or promote or buy a landing page for CPA marketing, this is one of the easiest and fastest method. So watch the video until the end to learn how to apply that. Before that, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon. If you watch the video until the end, then you can win £10 PayPal money. So first what you have to do, go to CPA lead and find an CPA offer that you want to promote. CPA stand for cost per action. So when they put the email address, you make money. Simple. So you can go to CPA lead or you can go to Max Bounty to find the offers that you want to promote. So in this case, I'm going with CPA lead. On here you can see this is the offer I want to promote. Free sample from Amazon, and free sample from Amazon, they're going to pay 58 cents if they put the email address. Now we have to promote that. Again, there's a problem with posting this link on Facebook, because when you post that, whenever people click the link, Facebook is going to say that the link is invalid. All right, so to avoid that, there is a simple thing you're going to do. You're going to upload quizzes on Facebook, and from that they will that link, you're going to put in link inside that quiz, and when the people find the right answer, it will automatically redirect for them. And it's simple, easy. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to send any link. I'm going to show you the website which can do you for free, so watch it carefully. So before I show you the website, I show you the tutorial. So here's a one quiz already there. So if you want to create a new quiz, you have to go to this button called create new quiz, and it will take you to this page. There's a pre-made template is already there, or you can go with click start from scratch, and you can select the whatever you want. So you can select assessment, and this is the back end of the quiz, the way you're going to upload the information like a banners, a title, and the button, and the way you're going to add the link. This is the back end. So this is going to look like. So I'm going to show mine here. Click edit, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Very simple, and it's completely free, guys. Now as you see, this is the blank template. There's a title you can put, there's a banner, there's a small description, and there's a button you can add. And this is in the first part of that quiz setup, guys. So you need to add the title. So I'm gonna type how to win Amazon free sample, or whatever that you can write. Then you can create a simple image using Canva and upload it on here. And you're gonna description, you're gonna type select the correct answer to enter for Amazon free sample. On the button you're gonna type take a quiz. After that, you're gonna click this one called questions, and it will take it here where you can set a simple question. Because I'm doing offer that similar to Amazon, so I wrote who is the CEO of Amazon, Jack Ma, or Elon Musk, or Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates. So if you click add answer, you can add more than one answer, or you can go to 4, 3, whatever. You can select how many answers that you can put on here. Come down to the bottom, you can see set a correct answer. Click that, and you're going to select the right answer. So whenever the people, after you publish the question, whenever people select the right answer, you will say you select the right answer. Now after you did that, so you done the cover section here, and you done the question section here. On here you're going to select result. Here you're going to add the link again. So after they select the result or select the correct answer, it will automatically rewrite it here. So it will say you got a 1 out of so you got a right answer. This is the result going to be appear here, and this is the banner you can upload it here, or you can own different banners, you can upload it in here. On here you're going to, in a small description, what you're going to write, click the button below to win a free sample. On the button you can type any sentence you want. After you write that, you're going to click this URL button here and go to CPA lead or Max Bounty, open the offer that you want to promote. This is the offer I want to promote. Copy that affiliate link or CPA link, then go back to your quiz here and upload and save. After that, what you're going to do, click publish. When you do that, it will ask you to publish the change, and it will give a small URL. That is the one you need to promote. This is the URL. What you're going to do now, copy that link, go to Facebook and search for freebies and giveaway. You can apply it to Quora, you can use Pinterest, you can use Twitter, you can use Parley, whatever, because those websites never going to block this link, because this is not an affiliate link, guys. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to freebie or giveaway, and you're gonna post that link. You're gonna type a sentence. So first the link here, and you're gonna type sentence like this one. I can show you now. So you're gonna write, you can win free sample from Amazon. Select the correct answer for this quiz. Okay, for this quiz. And this when you put the link, it will automatically pull the banner for you, or you can upload your banner if you want, and you're gonna click post. You're gonna do that every single pages and group that you are joining, guys. So here what happens, so you can see this is the link, right? If you copy the link and paste it on here, so whenever the people from any social media click the link, it will take you to this page, simple looking landing page, and they will take a quiz, and it will take you to the question. So this is the who is the CEO of Amazon. You can select Jeff Bezos and said you get 1 out of 1 correct answer. You can apply, you can put how many times they can apply for to find the correct answer. So you can give them 2 chances, 3 chances, it depends, but everyone know who is the CEO of Amazon, right? So after that, what they're gonna do, click this one called win free sample, and it will automatically redirect them for the offers, guys. Simple. So this is how you're gonna do it without any website or landing page. You can promote CPS offers or affiliate marketing offers without any web page or landing page, using this website to create a simple quiz. So what is this website? This website is called TryInteract.com, where you can create quizzes for free, guys. Now people are using this website to get email lead. Basically, if we go with there's a things you can see pricing. If you go with the pricing here, and you can see here again, you can use the free version to make these quizzes. You can see unlimited. Okay, you can create unlimited quizzes here, but if you want to collect email address, then you need to go with the paid version. But if you are making money in the future using CPA marketing, then you can go with the second method. You can collect their email address, so you can do email marketing separately. But for the initial stage, this is one of the best website to start. So Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter, any social media won't block your link, because it won't appear on the social media, because that affiliate link inside the quiz link won't be blocked on any social media, guys. So simple and easy. So what you're going to do now, I showed in a website here that you can use it for free to make quizzes. So all you have to do is find the CPS offer that you want to promote and make these quizzes and upload it onto Facebook group and pages, Pinterest, Quora, or whatever the social media that you know, and keep doing every single day, and you can make, guys, and you can make money from that. So actually you can make a passive income from this method, guys. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, leave a like and leave a comment, I like this video, then only you can win 10 pound PayPal money. All you have to do is like this video and leave a comment, I like this video. So when this video get 100 like, I can do a 10 pound giveaway. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.